Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The South Korean dashcam maker Vueroid has built what is billed as the world's first dashcam with AI-powered license plate restoration. The Vueroid S1 4K Infinite is a very impressive piece of technology that can use AI to determine full or partial license plates when needed, and it can also detect and blur the faces of drivers and pedestrians to protect privacy. Product Manager Jessie Lee.
A dashcam should be the product you can purchase once and trust completely. From that, Vueroid's philosophy is to be a product you can always rely on.
They can be hardwired to enable a 24-hour parking mode or plugged in. Find the 2-channel on Amazon for about $430.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.